Jabra proved its true wireless mettle with the Elite 65 tons earbuds in 2018. The company, better known for headsets than headphones, had a worthy contender with its debut model. It returned in 2019 with the vastly improved Elite 75 tons, and once again earned high marks. But one key feature was missing: active noise cancellation, ANC. Jabra is filling the void now with the Elite 85 tons, $230, a set of wireless earbuds that takes the best parts of the previous model and goes even further. Now that Jabra has a true flagship option, it has enough to compete with the best. With the Elite 75 tons last year, the company totally redesigned its true wireless earbuds. They were significantly smaller, lighter and all-around sleeker than the Elite 65 tons. The Elite 85 tons are nearly identical outside, except the holes for the microphones are smaller on the 85 tons. The company did add some depth to accommodate the noise-cancelling components and bigger speakers, but even then, the 85 tons is only slightly larger than the 75 tons. Of course, this means the latest model sticks out of your ear a little further, but the shape is the same and, at least in terms of how they sit in your ear, the Elite 85 tons still offers a very comfortable fit. With the Elite 85 tons, Jabra finally has a flagship quality set of true wireless earbuds with effective ANC. The sound quality is good, but not great, and there's room for improvement in the overall experience. Once the company fixes those minor issues, it will have its most complete package to date. Like the Elite 75 tons, Jabra opted for physical buttons for the onboard controls once again. A single circular panel on each earbud accepts single, double and triple presses in addition to a press and hold gesture. On the right side, the default options are play, pause, voices assistant and volume up. On the left, ANC/hear through control, skip tracks ahead, skip tracks backwards and volume down are the tools at your disposal. It runs the full gamut, but having the track controls on the same side was a little awkward. Thankfully, the My Controls feature in Jabra's app lets you remap all the onboard functions to suit your needs. One final small, but very significant design change is the location of the charging indicator on the case. Previously, Jabra situated that multicolor LED around back, beside the USB-C port. Now it's around front, where you can see it when you open and close the case, which makes a lot more sense. It was frustrating to have to turn the case around to see the light every time you docked the earbuds to charge. Jabra developed what it calls advanced active noise cancellation, where a dedicated noise cancelling chip allows you to adjust the extent to which you want to block out your surroundings. Software-wise, the system consists of separate sliders inside the company's Sound Plus app that control the level of noise cancellation and hear-through, or ambient sound. And, of course, you can opt to disable them both entirely for the stock experience. This tech is different from Jabra's smart active noise cancellation that's on the Elite 85 hours headphones. That feature automatically turns on when it senses unwanted noise around you based on how you configure things in the app. What's on the 85 tons is adjustable, but it's not automatic. And honestly, that's just fine. The noise cancelling setup is similar to what Bose and Sony offer on their flagship models, the Quiet Comfort earbuds and WF-1000XM3. Each one gives you the ability to adjust the level of ANC in an app. And in Sony's case, you can dial in presets for activity and even location. Jabra has moments in its app, allowing you to set 3 sound profiles for My Moment, Commute and Focus. The key difference is the Elite 85 tons doesn't automatically detect movement or location and switch your audio profile like Sony does. When it comes to pure noise cancelling performance though, Jabra can run with the best. The ANC on the Elite 85 tons isn't quite on the same level as Bose's QC earbuds, which I currently consider the noise-cancelling champ in terms of true wireless, but it isn't too far off. These new Jabra buds do a great job countering afternoon cartoons and the low roar of my first grader getting increasingly hype as he plays Mario Kart. Active noise cancellation can be a tough thing for true wireless earbuds to manage, but the Elite 85 tons is a workhorse. Jabra benefits from a smaller size and design details that help ease fatigue. Specifically, the Elite 85 tons is what the company calls semi-open with pressure relief vents that reduce the feeling that you're wearing earplugs instead of earbuds. Indeed, even though these have design elements that go into your ear canal, they do feel different than most buds. With similar models, I can typically use them for about an hour before they become a burden. That never happened with these, and I'm confident this pressure relief system is to thank for it. The Elite 75 tons offers the same solid sound quality and clarity I've come to expect from Jabra. It's above average, but it's not the best. With the Elite 85 tons, the company has improved things a bit, starting with larger 12mm speakers, twice the size of those on the 75 tons. That brings deeper bass and a slightly wider sound stage, so everything seems to have a bit more depth. There was plenty of low-end tone throughout the mix of hip-hop, metal, country, electronic and indie rock I threw at the 85 tons. Though they can't quite match the depth delivered by Sennheiser's Momentum True Wireless 2. It can be tough for earbuds to adequately capture the intensity of albums like Run the Jewels RTJ4, but the Elite 85 tons does it quite well. Ditto for the atmospheric post-rock soundscapes of Caspians on Circles. The best true wireless options create distinct layers, with instruments stacked up rather than compressed to a flat roar. Jabra makes a valiant effort with the 85 tons, but it comes up short of the immersion Sennheiser established on the MTW2. I did encounter one issue with the overall audio performance. There's an annoying, and honestly, downright painful, popping noise when I remove the right earbud and the audio automatically pauses. It does it almost every time, to the point where I began reaching for the onboard pause button to avoid it. There's another popping sound when you change from noise cancelling to ambient sound in the app. This one is less painful, but it's still obvious and jarring. Jabra says it will address the issues in its next firmware update. These things can be fixed easily by the company, but for now, they're annoyances you don't want to encounter in a set of $230 earbuds. All of the customization on the Elite 85 tons happens in Jabra's Sound Plus app. That begins with the slider controls for ANC and ambient sound and continues to a music equalizer. The company gives you 6 presets if you don't want to mess with the curves, but you have full control over the EQ as well. If you find something you like beyond those default profiles, you can save it for later use. What's more, the My Sound audio test that Jabra debuted earlier this year is available on the Elite 85 tons. That process optimizes your earbuds to your unique hearing characteristics via a short beep test. Once you do, the calibration is applied to the default settings, so whatever tweaks you make will be in addition to My Sound. You can repeat the test at any time or disable the feature entirely and revert back to the out-of-the-box audio profile. As I already mentioned, the Sound Plus app has a My Controls feature that gives you the ability to reassign the functionality of the onboard controls. You can do so for music, media and both incoming and ongoing calls. Here, I was able to remedy the awkwardness I experienced with the track controls in a matter of seconds. Lots of headphone companies allow you to tweak things a bit, but few offer the full customization Jabra does with My Controls. Sound Plus also has a handy soundscape or noise machine function. There are options for nature sounds and comfort ambience, cavern or crowd, in addition to the pink noise, white noise, fan, waterfall and driving settings. And perhaps most importantly, The app keeps you updated on battery levels for each earbud and the case individually. Jabra promises 5.5 hours of listening time with the Elite 85 tons on the earbuds themselves. That's with the ANC turned on. If you decide to disable that feature, battery life increases to 7 hours. During my tests, I found both figures to be nearly spot on. I actually went over with ANC on by about 10 minutes, but fell just short with it off by about the same margin. 7 hours is pretty decent these days, but 5.5 is just shy of key competitors for full-featured ANC true wireless earbuds. Both Bose and Sony claim 6 hours on their flagship buds, and with the Froma's Quiet Comfort earbuds, I actually managed closer to 7. You can find options that will get you more listening time on a charge, but they won't have the powerful noise cancelling this trio offers. When you factor in the case, you can get up to 25 total hours of use out of the Elite 85 tons before having to charge the entire package: 5.5 earbuds, 19.5 case. Like previous models, Jabra included a quick charge feature that gives you an hour of listening time in 15 minutes. Most importantly, the company also added wireless charging to the Elite 85 tons case. Simply place the accessory on any Qi certified pad and you're good to go. When the battery is completely depleted, you should expect wireless charging to take 4 hours, an hour and a half longer than actually plugging in. Alongside the Elite 85 tons, Jabra also rolled out an update to the Elite 75 tons and Elite Active 75 tons that added active noise cancellation. While this does give the previous generation a substantial upgrade, the Elite 75 tons models don't have a dedicated ANC chip. This means that they don't have the fully adjustable noise cancellation or ambient sound that the Elite 85 tons offers. They are $70 less, which is enough of a discount to consider. For flagship, full-featured true wireless earbuds, I still feel Sony's WF-1000XM3 has the best combination of sound quality and noise cancellation. Add in the customization Sony offers with those buds and it's really hard to beat. They are aging, which is really the only thing to think twice about. There hasn't been any indication a new model is imminent, but it's about that time. With the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, you get the best pure ANC performance I've tested. The overall sound profile isn't quite as good as the 1000XM3, the QC earbuds are pricey and they lack some features. At last, with the Elite 85 tons, Jabra fills the one hole in its lineup. The company now has a flagship true wireless model with powerful noise cancellation that rivals the best units I've tested. There are arguments for the WF-1000XM3's audio and ANC, and for the QC earbuds' noise blocking abilities, but the Elite 85 tons holds its own. In fact, when you factor in comfort and design, Jabra might have the most complete package. Sure, you can find more refined sound and fine-tuned noise cancellation elsewhere, but the combination of features, performance and the wearing experience, the Elite 85 tons is at the very least on the same level. If the company can fix a few minor annoyances, it will have a true contender for the best overall spot. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.